Okay, we're outside of Combo Venezia. I'm gonna walk you through the entrance and also through the lobby and then up to my room. After hours, you have to scan your key and push the door open, but it's open now, so let's walk in. Now we're gonna walk through this way towards the elevator, but there's also a stairwell up to the second floor that I'll also show you. It's a library. After hours, you need to use your key to beep in, but during the day, you can just click the button. All right, then you just enter, click the floor. We're gonna go to 2, and you also have to click to close the door. Here we are on the second floor. Also a balcony out here. And here we're gonna see the stairwell that comes up to the second floor, which is also a great option. It's beautiful. Out this window, you can see the orange trees or the citrus trees in the main square. And then we're gonna enter room C202. Please take your card. And then, once you enter the room, you need to remove your white card from your key and enter it in this glowing blue slot. It'll turn on your lights, so it reminds you to take it out. Once you come into the room, you'll see a trash can right here, and hidden here is a refrigerator. On the right side here, you have a shower that comes with soap in there, and a door, a little side corner. This is also where you have a full sink and some under sink storage with a hairdryer. You'll have to go over here on the left to find the towels, as well as the bidet and the toilet. which can be flushed using these buttons up here. You also have a small sink here for hand washing and another mirror. In the middle, there's a stove top provided, no pans though, and there's also this sink, which is functional if you want to do any cooking or washing of anything. There are beds on each side. They come with the sheets and the pillows. I don't know if other rooms are different. The lights can also be controlled from this switch right here. And above each bed is also a lamp. Looking underneath the beds, there's a lot of storage here and here, along with those other ones. And then right across from the bed, there are pull-out storage options. There are also shelves right here where things can be placed. And then each bed, it has a desk at the end of it with chairs, and there's a heater in the middle of the room. There's also a controllable thermostat over here on this side. Another desk. And then there are stairs in the middle of the room, so let's go up these stairs and see what's up here. At the top of these stairs, there are one closet for each bed. They're very tall, and you see, open them. One side has shelving for shoes or stacked sweaters or whatever else you'd like to put in here. And then the left side over here is actually quite deep, goes in very far that way. And ours came with a few hangers, but I don't know if that's standard. It kind of just seems like they were left behind. And up here is also a lot of storage room. That might be a good place to put your suitcase. Like I said, this is on both sides, exactly the same. There's also a desk area provided here where we have some outlets. They are the European outlets, so you might want to bring an adapter if you're not from Europe. From here you can also see down onto the entrance area. You can also see the historical brick. The floor is much more modern, as much of the room is. Next to each desk there are also lamps. You can adjust these and move them, as you can see. You can tighten them to stay in one particular place, and then you can tuck them away if you need more space or you don't want them there. This can also be adjusted. Yes, you can really see here how large the desk area is, and looking up you can also see how tall the ceilings are. The bed space. All right, now let's look at the view. All right, so opening up here, one moment. You have a great view of the Venice canals. You just have to open up this door right here, and you can really see a lot of Venice. So as you can see there, it's got a really beautiful view, a lot of storage, both sides. And yeah, some really great features that make it a great place to stay if you wanted to be in Venice. Some good books. So yeah, this is room C202 of Combo. Here are their breakfast hours. I don't know if it'll be the same when you're watching. And the evacuation map. I think this is a really cool feature. It reminds you to take your key with you, and also helps conserve energy. So a lot of cool features and outlets all over. The outlets next to the bed are a bit awkward because they hang a little bit on you while you sleep, but overall a really nice hotel.